Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix FedEx login problems, business account errors step by step clearly. Open a trusted browser like Chrome or Edge and make sure it is fully updated. Type FedEx.com manually in the address bar and avoid using old bookmarks. Confirm you are on the correct country site and switch region if the page redirects incorrectly. Click Sign In and choose the business account option if you manage a company profile. Carefully re-enter your user ID and password and make sure caps lock is off. If you copied the password, delete any extra spaces before or after it and try again. Click Forgot User ID if you are unsure which ID is linked to your business account. Click Forgot Password and complete the reset using your registered email or phone. Check your inbox and spam folder for the FedEx verification email and open it within the time limit. If the reset link fails, request a new one and do not reuse an expired email. Clear your browser cache and cookies for FedEx.com and then restart the browser. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extension and cookie conflicts. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, and VPN temporarily. Then try signing in again. Switch networks from office Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot to test for firewall or DNS issues. If you use a company firewall, allow FedEx domains and required security services in your whitelist. Verify your system date and time are correct because wrong time can break secure login. If you see an account locked or too many attempts message, wait the stated time and retry once. Confirm your business profile email is active and you can receive messages from FedEx.com. If you get a not authorized error, ensure your user role has permissions for billing, shipping, or admin tools. Ask your FedEx account admin to reassign access if your role was changed or removed. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, confirm your authenticator code is current and not delayed. Update the phone number for SMS codes if your number changed or you are traveling. If you manage multiple FedEx accounts, sign out fully and sign in only to the correct account. Try logging in from a different device to determine whether the issue is device-specific. If the page loops or stays blank, disable browser extensions one by one and refresh the sign-in page. For business account portal errors, check FedEx service alerts to see if there is ongoing maintenance. Collect screenshots of the exact error message, the time, and the steps you tried for support. Contact FedEx customer support or your account representative and provide the error details for faster help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.